Hey YouTube, these are some homemade shotgun rounds you can make. This is a flechette round. These are nails. I've cut them to the right size so they fit in this shotgun shell pretty good. Next one, this is a deer slug. It's just a sinker I use for fishing. This is a littler sinker, not quite the same size as the deer slug, but still fairly big. And then you've got some other littler sinkers and some little BBs. Those little BBs are what came in these shot shells first. That's what I got out of them. And yeah, all that's going to go into that one. And then next one, you've got two of these sinkers and some of those BBs. And when you're opening these things, all you can do is you get a nail and you jam it in there, then you keep trying to, you use a nail and you keep pulling at it, try and get it out, and then you gradually move on to something bigger like scissors or a pair of pliers and open it up. Then you can put whatever you like in them. This is pretty good. Okay, I've already started putting some of these nails in this shot shell, so I'll pause this and then get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I've got all the nails in there. Now I just got to close it up. Okay, closing these up. This is pretty hard, but you will get better at it, so I'll probably be, I don't know, might take a while. And when you've got it nearly shut like that, I find it easy to get it, push it at the ground and twist. It's not working. And now they've closed it up. It needs a little bit better pushing down. There's a flechette round, ready to go. Okay, next one. Deer slug. Okay, this is going to be a lot quicker, so push it in. It's hard to push through that bit, and then it gets a bit easier because, see that? Goes in. There it is. Close this one up.